Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini with your camera. Gemini's camera integration allows you to interact with the world around you in a whole new way. Simply point your device, and Gemini can help you understand what it sees. This powerful feature transforms your camera into an intelligent assistant, ready to provide instant insights and answers based on visual input. It's designed to make information more accessible and engaging for everyone. To begin, simply open the Gemini application on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the small camera icon, usually positioned conveniently near where you type your questions. Tap this icon to activate the camera mode. If it's your first time, you might need to grant Gemini permission to access your camera. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once activated, you are ready to point your camera at anything you want to explore. The practical applications of Gemini's camera feature are incredibly diverse. Imagine instantly identifying an unknown plant in your garden or getting a quick explanation for a challenging diagram in a textbook. You can even translate foreign language signs or menus just by pointing your camera. For students, it's a fantastic tool for solving math problems. Simply scan the equation, and Gemini can guide you through the solution. To get the most accurate and helpful results from Gemini's camera, a few simple tips can make a big difference. Always ensure there is good lighting on your subject to capture a clear image. Try to hold your device as steady as possible to prevent any blurriness. For the best analysis, focus on one main object rather than a cluttered scene. Finally, pair your image with a clear, concise question to guide Gemini effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.